Hello student, our today's topic is preparation of alkyl halide. आपण मागच्या पिरियडला अल्किल हलाइड म्हणजे काय आणि त्या ठिकाणी नॉमेनक्लेचर पाहिलं होतं. आजचा टॉपिक आहे प्रिपरेशन. देर आर व्हेरियस मेथड्स फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्किल हलाइड. फर्स्ट मेथड इज फ्रॉम अल्कोहोल. सी हियर, by using hydrogen acid or hydrogen halide we can get the alkyl halide. That means alkyl chloride, bromide or alkyl iodide. See here the general reaction ROH plus HX. HX means hydrogen halide. In suitable condition we get RX or H2O, alkyl halide, and water molecule we get. ROH means the general formula of alcohol. In the place of R we can write any alkyl group, methyl group, ethyl group, propyl group. Next, see here, we use here HCl. In the presence of ZnCl2 and heat, when we add HCl into alcohol we get alkyl chloride. Same, when we add HBr into alcohol we get alkyl bromide. And same, when we add HI into alcohol in the presence of suitable condition we get alkyl iodide. This is the first method for the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol ROH, and we get RX means alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide, alkyl iodide. The next method is from phosphorus halide and alcohol. First we use PCl3. When we add PCl3 into alcohol we get 3 molecule of alkyl chloride with H3PO3. When we use PCl5 then we get alkyl chloride with hydrochloric acid and POCl3 molecule. Third method is from thionyl chloride, means SOCl2. SOCl2. In alcohol we add SOCl2, simple heating we get alkyl chloride with SO2 molecule and HCl molecule. This is the third method for the preparation of alkyl halide. We get here alkyl chloride. What is the reaction? ROH plus SOCl2, that means alcohol plus thionyl chloride, we get alkyl chloride, SO2 and HCl molecule. The fourth method is by addition of hydrogen halide to alkene. We know that there are two types of alkene. One is symmetrical alkene and another is unsymmetrical alkene. Symmetrical alkenes means when there are the same groups on the two sides of double bond, and when there are the difference between the group on the two sides of double bond, the example is unsymmetrical alkene. When we add hydrogen acid into symmetrical alkene we get the product, simple one product. See here, in ethene when we add HCl we get ethyl chloride. Hydrogen add here and chlorine add into this carbon. This, in this example, due to symmetry hydrogen may add to this carbon or this carbon, and chlorine also add to the any one of these carbon, and hence the product obtained is ethyl chloride. See here, when we add HBr product is ethyl bromide and same ethyl iodide. This is the addition of hydrogen acid into symmetrical alkene, but main point is into the unsymmetrical alkene. In unsymmetrical alkene when we add hydrogen acid HBr, HCl or HI, then two types of product obtained here. One product obtained in major quantity and one is minor quantity. See here, CH3CH double bond CH2 plus HBr. Here in this example the positive part of the reagent, see here HBr is the polar molecule and hydrogen carries delta positive charge and bromine delta negative charge. See here, the positive part of the reagent, this is unsymmetrical reagent. The positive part of the reagent adds to that carbon atom which contain more number of hydrogen atom as compared to this carbon. Here one hydrogen is present and here two hydrogens are present. See here, this hydrogen is added here, hence the 80% product 2-bromopropane is obtained. This product is obtained due to the Marconi-Cops rule. The 80% product can be explained on the basis of Marconi-Cops rule. What is Marconi-Cops rule? When an unsymmetrical reagent, see here, this is unsymmetrical reagent. Here hydrogen carries delta positive charge and bromine delta negative charge, hence this is unsymmetrical reagent, and this alkene is also unsymmetrical alkene. When an unsymmetrical reagent adds to an unsymmetrical alkene, see here, this is unsymmetrical reagent adds to an unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of the reagent, negative parts means Br minus ion, negative parts of the reagent gets attached to that unsaturated carbon which carries lesser number of hydrogen atom. This is negative part of the reagent gets attached to that unsaturated carbon which carries lesser number of hydrogen. This carbon carries lesser number of hydrogen, and hence see here Br attached to this carbon, and hence 80% product is obtained.